Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we will be analyzing NZDUSD. First, let's look at the current events. Recent headlines suggest concerns about the impact of potential global trade wars. Reports indicate that these tensions have led to a weakening of the US dollar, potentially benefiting the NZDUSD pair. However, there's also uncertainty about the future direction of interest rates in both New Zealand and the US. Now, let's switch to the daily chart to get a broader perspective on NZDUSD's price action. Over the past few months, we've observed several key price levels that have acted as support and resistance. The 0.58 level seems to be a significant support level, while the 0.60 area has been acting as resistance. Let's move to the 1-hour chart to see the shorter-term trends and potential reversal patterns. Notice the recent bounce off the 0.58 support and the subsequent retest of the 0.60 resistance. On the 15-minute chart, we can see these patterns more clearly. A clear upward trend has emerged over the past few days, breaking through the 0.59 and 0.6 levels. This signifies a bullish signal, but traders must monitor various indicators to avoid premature judgments. The increase in volume during the recent price surge further strengthens the bullish sentiment. However, short-term traders should be cautious of any potential pullbacks towards the 0.59 level before making a decision. Let's zoom into a specific period, say the last week, on the 1-hour chart. Here, we can observe some consolidation and identify resistance levels. Potential support levels could be observed at 0.598, followed by 0.595 and 0.592. We're watching for a decisive break above the resistance level of 0.605 on the 1-hour chart. This could signal a more sustained upward trend, reinforcing the bullish signal. Let's turn to the 15-minute chart to examine the shorter-term price patterns. We see a clear upward trend here in the last 24 hours, supported by volume. However, small fluctuations are likely. Be cautious of potential short-term corrections. Switching back to the daily chart, we see that the recent price surge coincides with positive news about the New Zealand economy. The 15-minute chart provides insight into the immediate price behavior. Let's zoom into the last 2 days on the 15-minute chart to see the current trend. Here, we can see an upward trend with very little significant pullbacks. The volume indicates a strong buying pressure. This is consistent with our previous observations. If the price manages to surpass 0.61, we might see an even more pronounced upward trend. Conversely, if the price fails to hold above 0.60, the bullish trend could lose momentum. Short-term traders should monitor the 15-minute chart and react to fluctuations near the key support levels. In summary, the NZDUSD pair shows a bullish outlook, supported by recent economic news. The daily chart shows major support at 0.58 and resistance at 0.60. The 1-hour chart reveals potential support at 0.598, 0.595, and 0.592, and resistance at 0.605. The 15-minute chart highlights a recent upward trend, potentially reaching 0.61. However, keep in mind that these predictions are not guaranteed, and the market is volatile. Watch out for a break above 0.605 on the 1-hour chart to confirm the bullish trend. In the short term, follow the 15-minute chart and react to price fluctuations near 0.595.